All right, everybody, welcome back. Got some work done on the 350. Obviously moved her from the street up here, and now this is the spot she's going to be at until we can get her up and running again. But getting her cleaned out a little bit. As you heard from the last video, I was very anxious to get that done. You can see a little bit in here how I've cleaned it up. Still a hole there. But we're fixing it up. But this blue paint is actually gorgeous. Need to spend some time buffing it out. You can see I just wiped it down just really quick. Nothing crazy, but it is actually a really pretty blue. Need to figure out if it's been repainted or not, or how much it's hiding, but you can see I haven't obviously washed it at all. But this truck actually may look really good once we get done shining her up. The windows are just dirty as all get out. I mean, this was in a field for who knows how long before the gentleman that I bought it from had it. So we will see. But this little pile of junk that I pointed out in the last video, that's gone. But we're gonna rinse all this out today, take a peek. I've got an appointment in about an hour to get this thing registered. So I think the goal for today is to pull the back seat out. Don't know how ambitious that will be, but would love to get that out, and then obviously pull out all the lining in here, because once you get down underneath here, it looks pretty good. There's a patch of that blue right there that's just gorgeous. So really want to see what that looks like, see what we're working with. And again, not sure. I just saw some star bolts over here, which we've got some of those. We'll see how ambitious it is to get this interior taken out, but I think that'd be a good step. Pull it all out, see what we got, and go from there. All right, see you soon. All right, y'all, quick update. Got the back seat out as promised, and good and bad. So good, check out how cool this blue is. Holy cow. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it is gorgeous. Was gonna save like some of the floor mats and stuff. They started breaking and cracking, and I figured, you know what, if they don't make a reproduction one, then we'll figure it out. But I thought the blue was pretty cool. The bad news, I think you see the bad news, lots of rust. Holy cow. Yeah, lots of it. So I don't know, farm truck sitting out in the field, I guess just farm truck stop there. It's gonna look like this. It's gonna have some bumps and bruises. So gotta kind of expect it. Ended up getting wild, started pulling out the front. I don't know. I'm not a rust guy. I don't like rust. But comes with the territory, I guess. And you know what? One thing at a time, right? So get her cleaned up. Smells a lot better in here. It doesn't smell as much like mouse pee. And honestly, this one wasn't that bad. I've had trucks that are pretty darn terrible. But it's a start. I think maybe clean up this tank. Love to pull it. Not sure if I want to get that ambitious just yet. I mean, look how bad that back window is. Clean that up, give her a wash. Excuse me. And then maybe move on to bigger and better things. Yeah, clean up these doors. Holy cow, those are yucky. But I think I'll pull off all the trim eventually. See what's underneath. I mean, look at all that grime. Get that out of there. Let her air out. And just see what's going on. But I did find a couple cool things, so check this out. So this is a 76, found a plate from 86 from New Hampshire, which I'm sure you're saying, there's your rust problem. Who knows how long it lived there, because I also found some documentation. Found this was really cool. This was like a paper route thing, which I thought was sweet. That was up in New Hampshire. That is awesome. I also found some other teeny papers in here. Guess I could show y'all one of them. Look at this. There's somebody up in Montana. And that's from, when was that from? 87. So maybe made the drive in 86, tossed the license plate, said you're a Montana truck now. So 10 years, New Hampshire. Seems just about right. Yeah, we'll see. Wash is up next. Cleaning up some of the grime. And then we'll tackle this beast. I just want to take this truck bed off so bad. There's also this piece on the back as well. It looks like it's just bolted on for some type of farm equipment. So yeah, I mean, the frame is good. Frame looks good. Surface rust, you know. And if I can get somebody who can fix up the rust, which I have a guy. It just depends on how much I want to do it. Need the motivation, guys. Like, comment, share, whatever you need to do on YouTube. Help us out. Keep this project going. Keep me motivated more than anything. And to look past some of the rust, because she is, I think overall, I think we can all agree she's pretty solid. The right pieces are there. Again, super rare truck. And yeah, we'll get her fixed up, guys. Until next time, thanks.